Hi, I'm Michael Morrison with Dodge Memorials. Have you ever asked this question to yourself, how do I clean my memorial? Well, this video is for you. We're going to do a real quick walkthrough of how to clean your memorial. Now, depending on the color of your memorial, it's a little different about how you approach that cleaning. I have an example here of a family that has a jet black memorial with laser etching on it. Initially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this memorial with Windex and a towel, preferably a microfiber towel. Before I start cleaning this memorial, I'm going to walk up here and I'm going to dust off initially any debris that's loose. And it's good just to get any of the grass clippings off the memorial as much as you can. Anything that's on top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Windex, very simply. I'm just going to douse this down. Get the top. And then I'm just going to lightly go across this memorial. And that microfiber towel is really good about not being aggressive, because we don't want to do anything on this etching. And that right there is the best approach to cleaning a jet black memorial or any dark colored stone that you have purchased. And it takes TLC over time. You want to do this periodically with your memorial so it doesn't get too badly stained over time when that kind of stuff sticks on there for a while. So like I said, memorials that are dark colored, Windex and a microfiber towel, and you're good to go. Okay, we just went through a jet black memorial. Any other dark colored stone, we've wiped down with Windex and a microfiber towel. Now I'm going to kind of do a basic run through of a light colored stone. In this example I have here of the Craycraft family. If you want to get up close so you can see this, sometimes you're going to run into some issues where you're going to have some biological matter that's sticking to the surface of this memorial. And that's going to be very difficult to just take Windex and a microfiber towel. This is going to require a little bit more effort. So in this particular case, what we want to do is you want to make sure that you have plenty of water in a container, whether that's a bucket or a large 2 to 5 gallon thing. That you can carry water with you. Some cemeteries have water available, so just bring something that you can fill it up. But most generally just need to bring your water yourself. And then you're going to bring something of the nature of Comet or a soft scrub and a nylon brush. Nothing that's abrasive at any given point that you want to use on a memorial. So what I would do is I would wet this surface of this memorial down. Then I'm going to take my cleaning product and I'm going to apply it to the surface. Let it sit there for a little bit. Get it wet a little bit more, apply some more cleaning agent, and then take that nylon brush, that soft brush, and then start scrubbing the surface of that memorial. Get it on the rock pitch up here, get it on the surface here, and then let it sit there a little bit more, do the application again until you can see the fact that it's clean. Then give it a good rinse. You want to make sure that that memorial is rinsed as best as possible and don't let it dry with that stuff on there. If you find that after cleaning that and that doesn't do the trick, we do have people we work with that provide professional cleaning services. But most generally, if you're looking at a stone that's light colored, you can use a light nylon brush and a soft scrub of some sort to get that surface cleaned. Thank you.